as a Chief Ventures Officer, what you essentially are doing is helping bring innovation from the outside world into the agency that you're working with. But also finding ways to bubble up innovation from inside your agency and foster that, change the culture, change the processes, change the policies that are in place in order to allow for that to happen. Technology is not the problem, right? There is so much technology that's being developed in our space, in geospatial space, in AI, computer vision, machine learning. That's not the problem. Where the difficulties are with the people and the processes, and to some degree the data. With the data, what we're doing is we're saying, hey, NGA is sitting on petabytes of data that we think we've gotten the value out of that we have, but maybe there's value in that data that a commercial company might be able to use to develop an AI algorithm or to develop a computer vision solution. So we're looking for ways to take that data and make it available to outside partners and say, hey, let's co-develop on algorithms. With people and processes, that's a much thornier problem. The culture that government folks grow up in it has very different reward systems than what are in place in, say, industry or particularly in startups in Silicon Valley. And so what we're doing is training our folks inside NGA on what are those methodologies that are succeeding in startup land. So things like lean startup and agile. How are we able to apply those same methodologies inside the building, which does two things. It helps us foster innovation from within, but it also helps us learn the terminology so that when we speak with our outside partners, we're on the same page. So that's something really exciting. So we are a partner with DIUX on this. It's called the XView Challenge, where we have taken about 1 million structured observations with 16 different object classes and about a little more than 1,400 square kilometers of the Earth. Basically given a training data set and made that publicly available and said to people who are interested, hey, come take a look at this data and help us figure out how can we automate the identification of those objects in a way that humans no longer have to do that.